Knowing merely the meaning of any word in English is never sufficient for you. In order for you to apply the word accurately in any sentence, regardless of whether you're trying to use it in your writing or in your spoken English. Let's see how it works. For example, imagine the word independence and the word independent. The difference is that the word independent is an adjective and the word independence is a noun. If you need to apply any one of these two words after are, which is the link verb, then you should apply adjective independent, like we are independent. But on the opposite side, if you need to apply any one of these two words after the word any transitive verb like achieve, then you must choose the noun independence. For example, we achieved independence. To know more on linking verbs and transitive verbs, keep watching my other videos. Thank you for watching.